Don't compare your new boyfriend or your new husband with your exes. Sometimes we have to know that people are different. Things that you are used to do with your exes and now with your husband or your boyfriend is different. People are different. Maybe your ex-boyfriend was used to buy you presents, gifts, to go out, and now things are changed, and the new husband, the new boyfriend doesn't want those things to go out, what everything. Maybe is that person who want to stay in a one place. So sometimes when you are comparing, you are telling your husband or your boyfriend that my ex was used to do it. Men, they don't like those things, that every time you are saying even about your ex-husband that my ex-husband was used to do this to me, so you have to do the same thing. No, you have to know that people are different. If you saw that your ex-boyfriend was used to do those things, why you leave that person? So sometimes don't compare people. Even your ex-boyfriend was used to give you money every time, and the new boyfriend is changing now. He doesn't have money, or he was not used to buy gifts for you every time. So you have to know that don't compare, especially when you are comparing with your ex-boyfriend and your new boyfriend. Even things that you are doing or styles, everything you are doing in bedroom, don't compare. Especially you are compare that my ex-boyfriend or my ex-husband was used to do this to me, those styles, what you are telling your new husband or your new boyfriend, it is going to be a trouble in your relationship. It means that you are not moved on, because you are still remember things that you are doing with your exes. Why you leave your ex? You know that your ex was doing good to you. Why you leave that person? So sometimes don't compare, especially you are telling him that my ex was used to do this to me, so you have to do this to me. You understand? People are different. Maybe your ex was used to have many styles on you when you are in bedroom, but that person, the new partner, doesn't like every time to do action every time. So people are different. You have to know, why are you comparing? Why are you leave that person, you go to a new person? You have to know people. Even they are men, guys. Men, they love the same thing, but they are different. Some of the men, they like more. Some of the men, they want to focus on business or what. People are different. So sometimes when you want to compare, you compare, it is going to be difficult in your marriage or in your relationship, new relationship.